Hi y'all, today we're fishing a small creek here. We got Luke Dog and we got JR over there. So let's see how many of these little sunfish we can catch. Okay y'all, got another fish already. Nice little sunfish. We got JR over here trying to catch fish. He hasn't caught one yet. Let's go. Another sunfish down. Yeah. Hi y'all, got another little sunfish. JR and Luke can't figure out how to do it, but they're just not professionals. JR just got one. Nice little sunfish.
Baby sunfish, same one I caught earlier.
Is it the really small one?
I don't know, I caught it the same place as I caught the other one earlier. Ow, this thing's hurt. Oh no, little bro, he swallowed it. You're gonna have to. He straight up swallowed it. Okay, he got it good.
Think I can cook. Here's the cooking area. There's another cold tile over here.
Yeah, I know, there's also a mattress.
I think was there an old house here one time?
No, I don't think so. I had one bite, maybe didn't bite it.
It's so hard because it's like.
It looks like the tires are still blown up and everything.
Yeah.
It looks like this was out of wind. Right now, I saw.
Oh yeah!
No! You saw him get off the hook, didn't you? I had him. Hey, y'all, just caught another sunfish right out of this little hole over here. Nice little sunfish.
I got a picture.
JR just got a little sunfish. Okay, well there it goes. There goes his sunfish. Luke caught his first fish. Is he cooking? I think it's a sunfish.
Yeah, it's a sunfish.
That one's yellow. Nice one.